July holiday is in the books, but fireworks are still in the air and on the minds of many.
Since last night, we've had viewers reach out with their frustrations over the late hours of amateur fireworks popping off throughout their neighborhoods. And we spoke to a local veteran who says the sounds brought back painful memories. CBS 58's Taj Mahal has that story.
The 4th of July is over, but the remnants remain. We are at 32nd and McKinley, and take a look. You can see a lot of leftover debris just kind of lying here in the middle of the street from fireworks. Take a look. This Ring camera footage shows the moments fireworks went off in the Cold Spring Park neighborhood. The video shared with CBS 58 shows how close the sparks got to this neighbor's front porch. CBS 58 also obtained cell phone footage from the area on 4th of July night, showing fireworks being lit in the streets, close to cars and homes. Neighbors in the area tell us this went on for hours, and some called it disruptive and frustrating. We also spoke to a Vietnam veteran off camera who said the sounds gave him flashbacks of the war. This is common for many veterans during this time of year.
I've served in Iraq and Afghanistan. And so in those settings, it was not uncommon to have incoming rockets and mortars that would come to the base and disrupt life.
Michael McBride is a psychiatrist at the Milwaukee Veterans Hospital. He's also a veteran himself. He says for many veterans, fireworks can mimic traumatic memories.
Our brain is wired to protect us, and it wants to remember anything that potentially threatened us.
The VA provides resources to help veterans navigate through this, but McBride says it also takes our hometowns coming together to help its heroes.
What we can do as citizens is to remind ourselves that there are veterans that live in our community, and we need to be thoughtful and considerate about their health.
In Milwaukee, Taj Mahal, CBS 58 News.